made LIM Café by Nun Space in JUNG-GU, South Korea. As with modern architecture, if it is a 120-year-old building with accumulated time and history, we have difficulty in daring to determine or estimate its value. So, we have planned with the highest priority on establishing a new brand story based on the accumulated time, and establishing it as a cultural space, rather than erasing the traces of time and the past or replacing them with completely new ones. For that reason, I've thought that a unique story embracing time could not be felt in a new building. Furthermore, the condensation of collective memories would be a universal value to be preserved and a result of culture. Using bricks, stained glass, and structures used as auditoriums, which are the existing finishing materials of the church, are not only meaningful in terms of preserving history, but also desirable from an economic and environmental point of view. This place contains Made Forest and Made, which embodies the brand's philosophy as a forest of culture, and May Dream, a brand that embodies the essence of rest and wishes for nature in the DNA of humans who wish to return to nature. Forest Hall, Main Hall, is composed of bakery and dining, and performance hall, while detached Forest House, Private House, and Heritage Hall, Dharma Hall, consist of experiential exhibition spaces. There exist traces of old history and culture in the present time, and the traces of layers of memories and time are sometimes reflected in our perception and life. Many architects, including us, were born with the fate of erasing the traces of the past. Anyway, we hope that the past and the present time can coexist through this project of regeneration architecture.